Now, your local weather with meteorologist Rebecca Velasquez.
Good Sunday afternoon, good beautiful Sunday afternoon. We're taking a look at our El Dorado sky cam brought to you by Young. All that nasty rain and all those nasty clouds are starting to clear out, and we are left with some pretty beautiful conditions, at least across parts of the ArkLaMiss. But we're also dealing with cooler temperatures and breezier conditions as well. Now, a few things to expect. We saw one cold front passing through today. We are expecting two more cold fronts this week. One will just bring us cooler air, and then another one will bring us rain. But thankfully, starting today, as we head into this next work week, we are dealing with fall-like temperatures. So it is appropriate to say it's fall, y'all, because it is going to feel like fall with low humidity values, but it is going to be fairly breezy. That is going to raise some concerns as we head into the mid part of the week, but more on that in just a little bit. Taking a look at our sweeping radar brought to you by Young, not seeing much rain. All the rain that we did see in the ArkLaMiss has pushed off to our east, so we're only dealing with a few scattered showers, especially along Highway 82. So we saw that cold front passing through, and then we saw a line of showers developing behind that cold front and continuing to move eastward, clearing out now. We're not dealing with much rain now. In regards to accumulation, we really didn't see that much rain accumulation, maybe 3/4 of an inch in some areas, especially along Highway 82. For the most part, this wasn't a complete washout. We're not dealing with flooded conditions across the ArkLaMiss. We are dealing with cooler temperatures. Just here in Monroe, we are 14 degrees cooler than we were this time yesterday, and we are 16 degrees cooler in Shreveport. So it definitely feels amazing outside. These temperatures that we are currently experiencing are actually well below average. We actually should be in the mid to upper 70s, but instead we're in the low 70s and upper 60s across the ArkLaMiss, cooling down as we head into the evening hours. So be thankful for all that cool air, but maybe not be so thankful for these windy conditions. We do have winds out of the northwest, 5 to 15 miles per hour. Now this is going to continue as we head through Tuesday and parts of Wednesday. So we are going to see these breezy conditions, and we are going to see pretty dry conditions. In regards to our drought monitor, most of the ArkLaMiss is covered in what we would call an abnormally dry category in the drought monitor. Not too detrimental, but it does mean that we do need some rain, and it could increase fire danger. So low humidity and gusty winds could spark some outdoor fires, especially if you flick a cigarette on the side of the road or if you leave any outdoor fires unattended. So heed any local burn bans that are in effect for your county or for your parish throughout the beginning part of this week, because we are experiencing that potential for at least the next couple of days. So rain's continuing to move out. We're going to be left with clear conditions for tonight into tomorrow morning. Winds will die down just a little bit tonight, but then they'll pick back up for tomorrow. So we're going to wake up to the low 50s for tomorrow. Relatively calm winds, but by the afternoon, that's when those winds are going to pick back up to the more 15-20 mile per hour range for the afternoon. And then we're going to continue to see those conditions continue throughout the next couple of days. And then by Thursday, this is what I'm talking about. We'll have two cold fronts. One for Wednesday into Thursday, and then the next one will be Friday into Saturday. That first one is just going to bring us cooler temperatures, no rain. The second one for Friday and Saturday, that's the one that's going to bring us rain, and that's the one that could bring us overnight lows near freezing for Saturday night. Crystal, I don't know if you have your sweaters ready for this next upcoming weekend, but it's going to be a cold one. So definitely feeling like fall. May get a cup of cocoa tonight, actually, so feels pretty nice.